Alright, easy setup badminton set. This middle part, you get your 4, there's 2 of them. It says 4 on the directions. And you just put it in there. Okay, after you put that football shape in there, you do this, you put it in there for that one. And the same thing for over there. And your next step is you snap this in. It'll be a tight fit. Okay. And do the same thing for the other side. Let me see if I can. I'll get my tripod with you, so I'm gonna use my shoe to hold the camera up. The shoe's coming apart. Dang it. We'll put it right. I'll just lay it against my leg here. That's the air conditioner. Stretch, stretch, snap. And it's in. Alright. Let's see what's next. Put all these poles together. Alright, put that in there. Okay, I put it in there and nice and snug. And then there's another normal pole. That one. I'm gonna put that one in. I need to get my tripod, but these are my outdoor shoes. As you can see, they're Velcro. Good times. Good times, my man. I'm trying to do this with one hand while I hold my phone, which is my camera. There we go. Look like it's gonna go in. There we go. Alright, the next is another circular pizzas from the future. This is what pizzas are going to look like in the future. They're going to look like little blue circles, and you'll put them in the oven and you'll be able to cook them, and they'll come out full size. So we're going to get that with one on there with one hand, which is going to take a ridiculous amount of time. Okay, got that on. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now there's this little circular thing, which is in here. It goes upward. It'll find another pole and it'll probably snap on. Okay, I just slid this black C-shaped thing over, and then I put that pole in. And then next is another little one and a big one. Okay, now that that's all done, the next step is to put it on one side, which is, we'll have to move this a little bit. There we go. It's going to go down. It's going to go in there. Goodness, there we go. Slid right in there. It's all plastic. Okay, it's in there. And I assume we do the same thing. Now I put, oh my goodness, what did I do? What the world? Oh. 1, 2, it's got 2. It's got 2 of these on each side. Oh, I need to fix this. Okay, the last one had the black end on it, so now I can start on the other side. You do the same thing, except you'll have the one with a bunch of dashes, which is their numbers. So we're gonna start putting it together. All right, now that we got that in and that in, next is the net, number 10. The net's the best part. East point. Okay, I'm gonna put it up. Alright, now that you got that on there, which that part came off. Had to put it on, that part came off. So there it is, it stands. And then let's see, next is playing on concrete, playing on grass. I'll be playing on concrete and grass. So the stakes, which are right here. Oh, okay. Alright, let's the loops. You put the loops down in the middle. You definitely need to do that because it's about, the whole thing probably weighs like a couple pounds. The first windstorm's gonna blow it across probably into outer space. But we're gonna find a place to put this and put these stakes down. Alright, this has been another Mad Human Pizza video, or Mad Human Pizza 2 video. Have a great day. Okay, so I used a hammer and these pins, well, you know, sometimes you might need a hammer, but see, this goes right here. There's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 of them. And then these up here. This is a little fun to put on, but a little tricky. But this will snap on there. See how it's one of those see that this goes in that hole, and then one goes down there, and I use a hammer to you can use whatever you want, but hammer work best for me. It's these stakes, which I'll need to use the back of the hammer to pry it out. Pry that out. So this is what it looks like. And then you just put it in the ground and hammer it down. There's 4 of them. 1, 2. There's deer poop up here, and then over there's 3, 4, 3, and then 4, and that keeps it from blowing away into the atmosphere. Alright, have a great and wonderful day. This is Badminton.